I like to describe our lab as kind of a cottage industry analytical laboratory because the staff is small, but the range of questions that we need to answer is quite large.
I think the importance of life science is very kind of misunderstood and played down.
We are trying to find things that are often 1 part in a billion.
The equipment that we use is really of the highest standard. There can't really be any exception on that.
And these are very small amounts of compound. The difference between maybe finding it and maybe not finding it could potentially be life or death, or could mean a miscarriage of justice.
Peak is an exceptional company. They produce generators really of the highest quality.
We have nitrogen, we have hydrogen, we have air. The modularity is of particular interest. It's very space efficient, they're stackable.
Our generators can end up in so many different industries that you wouldn't even imagine.
Potentially make drugs for cancer or help schools with their research.
When you see that your work is part of something bigger, you feel like you have done a very good job.
It's the uninterrupted supply that Peak provides that makes these critical applications work so much better than if we're using cylinder gas that needs changed over.
Cylinders are dangerous. Basically with the gas generator, all you do is add water and you create hydrogen.
We've always used Peak to supply our nitrogen generators, because otherwise we'd be stuck with a huge nitrogen tank on the side of the building. We don't want that.
The initial determination of a customer's need, that flows through all the way through production, building the generators, getting everything as perfectly together as we can.
Once we have a customer, Peak really does look after them.
What we look to do as a company isn't just shift boxes out the door.
Our service is the best in the world, and I stand fully behind that.
So they don't look as suppliers, they look as partners.
A customer or a lab in Southeast Asia has a very different set of needs to a lab in America.
We look to offer service plans which provide maintenance in advance of anything going wrong.
We have hundreds of field service engineers across the globe.
We do like locally available companies. I mean, even if it's made in Scotland.
It's always going to be a service engineer that is geographically located near to where my customers are.
I know from experience that Peak are an innovative company.
If there's a customer out there who isn't using a Peak generator, they should certainly think about it.
Peak has made sure that we're happy.
We wouldn't use anything else other than Peak.
If you make a reliable product, then people are more likely to buy it.
Very, very happy. It's been totally reliable and the service is really great and I couldn't ask for more.